Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the adorable short black hair combos in DTI. So if you're looking for that chic, classy or edgy hairstyle to complete your next DTI runway look, you're going to love these short black hair combos that are cute, cool and totally game changing. So let's just get started. The first, you need to combine three hairstyles here. The first one is this one right here. This one, and change the color all black. After that, find this hairstyle with a bun on it. Sorry, this one's in here. And again, change the color to black. And then the last one is go to the bangs category and use these bangs right here. And choose the, of course, black color. So this is the final look. You can always add hair accessory if you want to. So guys, that's all for me. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.